Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm really going to talk about some of the really free VPNs that are out there. They are free and they are very good. So if you want to know about VPNs and how we can help you to make money online and block your location, this video is for you. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Shum, and on this channel, as you can see on your screen, I talk about different ways to make money online. I also talk about different solutions that you have out there that can help you establish your online identity. And if this is something that you're interested in, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. I upload a new video every week. VPN simply stands for Virtual Private Network. It's simply a way you can block your location. There are some of you who have sent me questions saying you cannot access certain websites. The websites like Inboxdollars. There are a lot of websites that you cannot access, maybe because of your location. Maybe it's because you're located in Africa and they are not currently maybe taking people from Africa. And then you are unable to log into that website and start making money. But today I want to introduce to you VPN. With VPN, you can block your location, which means you can be located anywhere you are in the world. This is a big solution for some of you in Nigeria that have been writing to me, in Ghana, in Cameroon, telling me that you are unable to access certain websites. You can use VPN to access some of these websites. Now, let's get into the video. I know that most of us want things that are free. Because most of us, we don't have money to be paying for things. But I just want to let you know that there are some things that you can never get free. Listen, I've done a lot of research on VPNs. I have used VPNs for a very long time, and I can gladly tell you that there is no truly free VPN. There are free VPNs, as I'm going to show you, but all of them come with limitations, which means that the people who created this VPN, they created it to make money. So they are not giving it out for free. And if you find anyone telling you that they will give you a free VPN where you can block your location, where you can do everything that it's supposed to do for free, listen, they are lying. Those people, they will take your information and sell it out and make money. There is a way that they will make money through you. So I just want to let you know that there is no truly free that VPN that you will never pay. The ones that I'm showing you today, they all come with limitations, but at least you can start for free. And then if you see that it's very useful, you can continue using them and start paying. And some of them come very affordable. So that's just what I want to mention to you. They are free in the beginning, and later you have to pay. So you will never find any free VPN that will really do the work for you without paying for it. I just want to let you guys know that, because I know most of us, we want things that are free, but there are some things that are just not free. If you want it free, it will come at a cost to you. It's either your information will be sold, or they will not respect your private policy. They will take your email and sell it out. They will just do something to make money. So these VPNs I'm bringing for you today, they are free to start with, but the free version comes with a lot of limitation, which means that you will not get everything as it's supposed to be. So the first VPN I'm going to show you is ExpressVPN. I have used ExpressVPN for more than a year, paying, and I can tell you that they are the best out there. I have used others too, but ExpressVPN really gave me what I wanted. With ExpressVPN, you'll be able to block your location. And when you block your location, they are going to make you to choose anywhere in the world where you want to be located. And you have the ability to choose your location to be in the US. So when you choose your location as being in the US, they will show that you are located in They will show that you are located in the US. They will place you in the US. So once you access those websites through your phone or your computer, you will not be blocked. You will not be told, oh, because you're present here, you cannot access this website. Because now the VPN has hidden your true location, and they are showing you to be located somewhere else. So that is the purpose. That is one of the main purpose why people buy VPN. So with ExpressVPN, you can try them risk-free for 30 days, which means that it's free in the beginning. You sign up, you choose a plan, and then you use it for free for 30 days. And if after using it, you feel like, you don't like it, they are going to give you back your money. As you can see, 30 days risk free. After 30 days of paying for it, if you don't like it, they'll give you back your money, but you can start for free. With this one, you can be able to hide your location and access certain websites. You can be able to access Netflix USA, you can access all kinds of sites that you want to access. You can find yourself anywhere. So that's the main use of VPN when it comes to you trying to access sites. The next VPN I'm going to talk about is CyberGhost VPN. CyberGhost VPN, it's another very great VPN. They have servers in 90 countries, and I also failed to mention that with ExpressVPN they have servers in 94 countries, and with CyberGhost VPN they have servers in 90 countries. So you can unblock Netflix USA, you can unblock, you can watch Disney, you can watch anything you want to watch, you can access any website, you can block your location with this, and it's going to work for you so well. When you go for the free VPNs, it's going to come with a consequence. Like I mentioned before, it's going to come with a consequence. So it's better you pay for it than for you to get your information out on the internet and for it to be sold. So you have to be really, really careful if you're using completely free VPNs that you won't pay for anything, because they are going to make their money through you. With this, you can start with 45-day money back guarantee, which means that you use it free for 45 days. And after that, if you don't like it, you don't have to pay for it. Or if you've already paid for it, they'll return your money. And that is how you can use it for free. Like I said, all of these come with limitations. I didn't find any free VPN that gives you everything. Like I said, if they give you for free, you pay for it in one way or the other. The next VPN you should try out is called Proton VPN. I used Proton for 3 months, but like I said, I prefer ExpressVPN because I feel like they are stronger. They are first on the list, but Proton too, it's extremely good. So it's not like they are, they are not good. They are. I've used them for like 3 months before I switched back to ExpressVPN. And you can see free VPN to protect your privacy. So you can create a free account and you download your VPN. So if you sign up to use Proton for free, you create a free account. You can only get it for 3 countries, which is okay. You can start with 3 countries. And then if you start paying, if you start paying for it, you will be able to upgrade to 50 plus countries, as you can see here on the screen, 50 plus countries. That's when you start paying for it. So with the free VPN, you can only use it on 1 device. This one is very good. If you don't have any money, you can start with it. Their limitations are not that strong like the other ones. So this one is really good. You can start with it. So altogether, they are found in 63 countries. They support 10 devices and they have a lot of advanced feature. If you want to know more, you can read here. And they can protect your privacy. They can block you. They can block your location, not show where you are. Therefore, you'll be able to access certain websites, access Netflix, and they have no advertisement, and their speed limit is really good. So you can try this one out. This is really good for those who don't have any money to start to pay for anything at all. So you can start with Proton. So this is the best free VPN available that comes with less limitations as compared to the others I've shown you. So with Avira, you can only get 1 gigabyte data per month for the VPN, and it's very fast. You can only have 1 server location for free. You have unlimited simultaneous device connection. You can unblock and block yourself and show yourself somewhere else. So if you want to try Avira Phantom VPN, I'm going to put the link in the description below, and you can also try it out. So they have a VPN and they also have antivirus. So you can try it out, download it, and see how it benefits you. So the next VPN I'm going to talk about is Hide Me. Hide Me, it's a VPN that is also safe and secure. It's going to block it's going to help to hide your location, and you can be able to access certain websites, stream movies from Netflix USA, Netflix UK, whatever you want to stream, you can download it on your Windows, Android, iOS. So you can get it for $5.33 per month, but they also have a 30-day money back guarantee, which means that if you start paying for it, if you don't like it, after 30 days they give back your money. You can use it free for 30 days. After that, you have to start paying for it. So you can actually sign up for free. You don't need to have any credit card. Start using it. And if you like it, then you can take this one, which is $33 per month, and then if you take this one, they'll give you 3 months for free. So that's a good deal. So you can pay through PayPal, you know, and you have very good reviews as well. The best one that I think will really go for most of you will be this Proton, because the limitations are very low. You can see you can use it as long as you want, but you can only focus on you only give you 3 countries. You can only use it on one device. No locked privacy. Okay, so we do not lock user activity. So they will not keep tabs of what you're doing. So, which means you will not be protected in a way. But I think this one comes in handy as compared to the others. They are kind of expensive after you've tried it for a while. So this is the best that will come for those who want really free, that do not have money to pay anything. If you're finding difficulty accessing some of the websites I've been sharing, VPN can come in handy. Hide your location, sign up, and you can start earning online. And I'm going to do more videos about how to target some of the difficulties you're facing if you are not in the US or Canada. We know we are restricted being in Africa. So if you have a question, put in the comment section and I'm going to do a video concerning it. So guys, that was what I had for you today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time for another video. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. So guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.